Greetings from the coast. Today in this video we'll have another look at a remarkable camera mounted on a very versatile RC aircraft. The capture platform is the Insta360 X3. It's a 360-degree 5.7K video camera that has two lenses and allows me to record, then choose the best angles after the recording. The twin lenses remove the selfie stick on the edit and give a hovering effect over the scene. Now this, I believe, is the very first time an X3 has been attached onto a radio-controlled aircraft like the E-Flite Draco. It's a good size that's capable enough to take the 180 gram or 6.3 ounce weight very easily. I mounted the camera on a GoPro curved 3M attachment centre wing area of the Draco. And here are the images over the stunning coastal area. As you can see, the 360-degree camera really does give a different aerial perspective. The great thing is that I can adjust the viewing angles in Final Cut to virtually any degree in post-editing. I will explain the flight from my original production. 360 X3 is on. Pass. This is the small world view. It's an interesting angle in a ball shape. It provides a full aircraft and beach angle as if closely chased by a drone. Note that each camera is using stabilization for in-flight smoothness. Certainly with the GoPro 10 I would have to make several flights changing the angle to get anywhere near this effect. Absolutely amazing. Now back to the standard view without any effects. I can choose left, right, forward, rear and above with the same piece of original footage and adjusting it later in the edit. Flaps down, slow it right down. Right, there she is. The very first flight of the X3. Boy, what a nervy experience. All right, I'll now mount the GoPro on the top of the plane and we'll see the difference. So you can see the quality and the difference between this one, the X3, and the GoPro 10. Here is the GoPro tail mount. Thanks for watching today. I hope this has given you another look at this great X3 camera and what it can do.